2011 Lexus was broke down, then broke into. Won't start. What's up, Nikki? Anyway, we're gonna jump it off and see what's up. It's very important to have high octane jet fuel when the car's been sitting up for a little bit. What's more important is you gotta have a gas can like this. With the new nozzles, you gotta take the fucking score of at least 130 on your IQ test to use. So I was once scored high. I must have lost some over the years because I can't get it to work.
Driving through West Virginia, and I've seldom been thinner, with that chip on my shoulder. And this past year I got so much older. Looking back over my life, spent the most of it tongue-tied. And I wish I'd had more time listening to you speak your mind. Now I'm thinking about it every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a life force? Thinking about it every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a